This video is about cells, and I want to ask the question, why are cells so small? Well, the first thing you need to find out, of course, is how small are cells. Most cells are so small, they're measured in a unit called nanometers. So what exactly are nanometers? Well, a nanometer equals 1/1,000,000th of a meter. So it's really tiny. Most cells are so small, in fact, that you need a microscope just to be able to see them. So now I would ask the question once again, why are cells so small? Why do you think cells are so small? It's all about efficiency. So to answer this question, let's take a look at the diagram. So on the left, we have a cell that is much larger than the cell that's on the right. So in which cell will the green dot, which represents some kind of a molecule that that cell needs, to take longer to get to the center of the cell? Well, obviously, a bigger cell is going to take more time for substances to move throughout the cell. So the cell on the left will take longer for that molecule to get to its center than the one on the right. So what does this mean for the cell? Well, if this is some kind of a molecule that it needs, like a sugar or a protein, if it's a large enough cell, it may not be able to get to the center, the molecule that is, may not be able to get to the center quickly enough to keep that cell alive. So the cell might die before it gets substances that it needs in a bigger cell. So another way to think about this is like a ship transporting something from one place to another. Is it going to get there more quickly if that ship is transporting across a small pond or the entire ocean? Obviously, it's going to take less time in that small pond. So the answer to the question on why cells are so small is that it all comes down to the efficiency of transporting substances throughout that cell.